Here we have a Emerson Universal Ceiling Fan. No, it's not Emerson, although there is a Emerson sign behind it. This is a Homestead Universal Ceiling Fan. I think it's the Monterey model, which is the smaller variant with a smaller motor housing. And this fan specifically has the 29-inch blades, which was the smallest size offered for this model. So this fan is in their white finish. It's not their like snow white finish. It's like a, I'd say like a eggshell finish, off white finish. So yeah, this fan's from December of 1991. So it was made when it was about to be bought up by Casablanca. And yeah, I found this at my local Habitat Restore in 2019. So yeah, quite a while ago. I've had this fan up here for a long time too, but the fan came with no pull chain, so it was set on low the whole time. But after all of these years, I finally decided to put in a pull chain. So now it has a pull chain that I robbed from a part of Casablanca. So let's see high speed. And the thing that you see on the downrod is actually a DRS24TR Fanimation tropical downrod sleeve that I put on it. It doesn't really match the fan, but I like it a lot on it. And it's the only fan in the room where it has a long enough downrod for it to fit. So the sleeve needs a 24-inch rod minimum. An 18-inch could work, but it's really tight. But this fan is on a 24-inch rod, so it works. It's a pretty good air mover. It's not as powerful as the Sierra SMOL fan. I forgot the name, but I have one too. It's upstairs in the hallway, but it's not as powerful as that thing, but it's pretty good. The pull chain is kind of weird. I probably wired it up wrong, but I really don't care about it. So, because I almost never use this fan. I think this is still high speed. Is this off? I'm not sure, but my pull chain sequence is a mess. I have no idea how I wired it. I think this is off. I'm pretty sure this is off. It is off. Is this high? I'm pretty sure this is low. Pretty sure this is low speed. I think it is. Hopefully I'm right. But yeah, my pull chain sequence, it's terrible. If any of you know how to correctly wire up a pull chain for one of these, let me know, because I clearly cannot. This is definitely low speed. It moves a bit of air, not much, but it's low speed. It's a small fan. This is high again. Off. I think that this is still high speed. Pretty sure this is medium now. Yeah, I have no idea what's wrong with my pull chain sequence. But at least let's show you a reverse. It works. This is one of the few Homesteads I have. And I think that's low. This is off. This is not off. Is this off? That's not off. Is this off? No. 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 This is off. So we will watch it spin now. Yeah. Tell me how to wire this up, please. There's the fan. Yeah, if you want to see my Casablanca new box stuff behind it. There it is. There's the top. There's all of this. Yeah, that's it for this fan. Thanks for watching. Bye.